show you how to make a party popper. It's just gonna be like this. I'll show you when I get this thing out. Okay, so it's like this. You do that and then it will explode. So you'll need color balloons and color tape that are this size and some toilet paper rolls and some confetti. And this is the example. If you don't know, you just follow my example that I made in my kindergarten. You can choose your favorite color balloon, ask your mom and dad to tie it, and then ask your mom to cut it for you. Now it's cut and tied, you see? And then you just have to put it on here. This is gonna be so hard because you have to tape it. So don't touch it until you tape it. You can touch it going down, but you can't touch it going up. Oh, it's a little awfully not that tight. Okay, you're making it. Now as you see, tape it. And I'll tape mine first. So I'm gonna go. Okay, like you can just do like that much. That's awfully enough. Yeah. I shoot it away. Don't tape my hand there. I can tape mine. Silver is a good color. Oh my gosh. It's not even secured well. Next, we're gonna open the confetti. We're gonna stuff the roll of confetti. Yes. Guys, don't put too many because it's gonna be hard. No. Confetti! This is how you make confetti poppers. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 2, 3.